I'm Stephanie Essen, and this is the Intel Developer Zone Update. In this episode, we tell you about an Intel software innovator who's working to build up the AI community in Nigeria. We see prototyping in a new light, as an art form and a science, and we tell you about upcoming hands-on coding sessions through the Intel Software Developer Workshop for Technical Computing and AI. A thirst for knowledge brought Intel software innovator Tejumade Afonja where she is today, a graduate in mechanical engineering who's organizing an artificial intelligence community in Lagos, Nigeria called AI Saturdays, or AI6. The workshop is a 14-week global initiative offered through Nurture.ai to make artificial intelligence education accessible to anyone for free. With colleague and co-organizer Femi Aziz, they hold a class each week covering deep learning materials, deep dives into Stanford convolutional neural networks for visual recognition, followed by studying research papers and holding discussions about new learnings. All of this helps the group to get more familiar with different AI topics, get comfortable reading research papers, and better understand deep learning topics, Tejumade says. To learn how to hold your own AI6 workshop, check out the link provided. In today's fast-paced and competitive market, software engineers don't have time to build something from scratch. They have to find ways to get it right earlier, and that requires an approach to prototyping that is both creative and efficient. In the article, Prototyping is an Art and a Science, you'll discover a 3-step model that will help you navigate the best pathway forward to prototyping effectively. It will cover how to write a media alert, how to spot the unknowns in your project, how to best address them, and finally, how to focus your energy to make the best prototype possible. Join us for a 2-day hands-on coding session on parallel programming, performance optimization, artificial intelligence, and machine and deep learning through the Intel Software Developer Workshop for Technical Computing and AI. Experience a unique opportunity to test out the latest tools, advanced coding knowledge, and best practices to get started implementing AI on your own laptop, guided by experts and partners. The topics include scientific and technical computing, computer vision, image and pattern recognition, machine learning, optimized deep learning, and big data analytics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links provided and like and subscribe for more Intel Developer Zone updates.